Hello and welcome back to Clever Oat Studio. As usual, Product Hunt has given us some super cool stuff to look at and try out, and we just can't wait to say what we think about it. So, come on! I guess all of you have heard of Snapchat. Being one of a kind, this app splashed the world of mobile messengers a few years ago. It might seem that Snapchat is an ordinary image messaging application. A standard set of features: private messaging, semi-public stories, photos, short videos, filters to retouch them, and so on and so forth. But there is one thing that has always differed this messenger from others. Here the messages are only viewed for a user-specified length of time, and then they would disappear once and for all. A lot of great features have been added in several years. Among them are GF filters, My Story, Official Story, and Live Stories features. The latter, by the way, has surpassed private snaps, which is the most frequently used feature of an app. All of them are intended to improve communication between people, make them closer to each other. On March 29th, the company introduced Chat 2, and it feels like it's going to be really awesome. The developers promised that it would be the all-new application. So, let's see what's new on it. Everything remains untouched except for the renewed chat interface. The update is mostly focused on private snaps. Now you can swipe right on a friend in your contact book to open chat. How to act when a chat is open? You can send an audio-video note by long pressing on a corresponding icon. On the other hand, if you want to start an audio-video chatting, just tap on the same button. Your friend can watch, join, or ignore you. The best part of the new chat is stickers. There are lots of them, and producers believe that sometimes they can speak even better than you. So, no more spoilers, just try it instantly. PS. The application update is available both for iOS and Android. Don't lose your time. This thing will be useful for those of you who consider yourself as a forgetful person. Meet Billy, the new application which helps you to get your ducks in a row. By ducks, we imply your subscriptions, because we're living in the modern world where mobile applications and social networking play a substantial role, right? Let's take a closer look at this invention. A few words about the app maker. Jeffrey, who started living on his own just 6 months ago, suddenly realized that he needs to take care of the things which have always been his parents' concern. A pile of bills mixed with the dates when they should be paid off, late payment fees, and other unpleasant moments. They all made him mad. Since that, Jeffrey decides to fix it and creates a product for people who suffer from the same problem. That's how Billy was born. With Billy, your subscriptions and nerves are safe. You can manage the former and get notified when a bill is due. How does the app work? Pretty easy. Step 1. Add your subscription. You can add any from the hundreds of predefined services or create your own custom subscription. Apple Music, Basecamp, Dribbble, Dropbox, Evernote, and many more are already on it. Enter your contact details and use Billy as a quick way to calculate monthly payment for you. Step 2. Your subscriptions are at your fingertips. Browse through them easily, check how much you've spent this month, and enjoy your troubleless life. Step 3. Get notified. The app notifies you when a bill is due. Nice! Besides that, Billy prevents you from having some insufficient funds on the account on a day a payment is needed. This wonderful helper is available on Apple App Store now for as much as $0. So hurry up and let it keep your bills organized. It seems to be a nice alternative to most of the online word processors. Now Canvas is open access for beta testing, so we can try it and find out what it's about. Actually, we have already done it, and we are more than satisfied. What does Canvas provide? A range of opportunities. Since its developers needed a workbench for their project, they stuffed the service with all the features they think you will need when working on a project. Every canvas is read-only, shareable by default. If you want other people to participate in document creation, you can send them an URL and enable public edits, or let them see what's happening with their hands tied without performing the last point. The most interesting thing, there is the formatting with the help of Markdown-inspired shortcuts. No more clicking on a toolbar. Need to make a stress on something? No problem. Type 2 asterisk characters on either side of this word, bold. Type a single asterisk character on either side, italic, and so on and so forth. Check them yourself. The makers provide you with an exhaustive guide. As Canvas is designed for organizations mostly, you can easily create an organization and add your teammates. Work together on a project, take notes, make corrections, comment, log your actions, browse through the notes of others, and do more of amazing things on an app. Visit usecanvas.com and integrate this tool into your workflow. You won't regret a second of it. Well, it's time to say goodbye now, but don't be sad, we will see you soon with a new edition of Product Hunt Review. Sure, it would be amazing. Meantime, subscribe to our channel and watch older videos, and be up to date with the new ones. Have a nice day! Thank you.